Hello and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech unboxing first impressions video. Today we have the Crosstour 4K Wi-Fi action camera. The exact model is CT8500, and if we just have a little look around the box to start with, so that is a little picture of the camera there. 4K Ultra HD, 170 degrees wide angle, 2-inch LCD that you can view the video or picture on, and an external microphone. Look around the box itself, not much more information, a little bit more there. Resolutions it can shoot in the frames per second, so it does 60 frames per second in HD, 30 frames in 2.7K, and in 4K as well, 30 frames per second. Shooting modes, picture-wise, 16 megapixels, 12 megapixels, 8 and 5. It supports a SD card slot up to 32 gigabytes. Rechargeable battery, 1500 milliamps. Its weight and its dimensions. And nothing else in the box, so let's get into it. Thank you for choosing Crosstour. So your basic user manual, English, Dutch, French, Italian, Espanol and Chinese by the looks of it. Just a quick look through there. Looks like we've got some mounting instructions there, modes, yada yada. Camera itself comes in this nice little side box here. Unfold all that open and pull the camera through. Put that down to the side for a second, get that out of the way. And a box of accessories. Let's just get that box out of the way as well. Right then, let's open this. Whoa, so lots of different accessories. Let's go through these one by one. So that looks like some kind of straps. A mount for it to go onto a stand. Some zip ties. Another strap there. Another mounting accessory by the looks of it. I will go through the book and actually identify what these actually are one by one. Just give you guys a bit of a show of what they look like there. Obviously that's a battery. And another one. Micro USB cable. A safety chain. I mean, you've got lots of different options here to do various different things. That looks like a separate camera shutter video play button. Feels a little bit heavy. Cool. An external microphone. That's pretty cool. And a spare front screen or back screen by the looks of it. Yeah, it looks like it just replaces that one that's already on there. So this case that surrounds it at the moment is actually a waterproof case. So I'm assuming that you just pop this forward. He says. Pull that back bit, unleash that, and then the camera itself just pops out. Does that not open on its own? That's very fiddly, unless it's because there's no actual any battery in there at the moment. That's why it won't automatically pop out. So we'll just drop that off. Pop one of these in. Oh, wrong way. Sorry. And there we go. Let's see if it's got any charge in one of those. Oh yes. So there's no actual memory in this at all. You would have to put an SD card slot in there first. But I am led to believe that you can connect this up to your phone through the Wi-Fi, and I'm assuming you can do saves through your phone device itself. I'm assuming that auxiliary port is for actually I don't think I saw a wire for an auxiliary port actually. I think it was just a micro USB. Yeah, definitely micro USB. But as you can see, there is an auxiliary port there, and I believe that's yeah, I've never seen one of those before. That's the even smaller than 3.5mm jack that goes straight into there for just the microphone there. That's pretty cool. Come with a little protector over the camera, of course, itself, so that quality you see on the front there, that's not going to be exactly as clear as it's going to be seeing it through my phone, and seeing it from its screen itself is not going to be as good as a playback from a different screen. So let's just pop it back into its case, and let's have a quick look through the other accessories there. Let me get the book back and we'll see exactly what we've got. We've also got a lens over there as well, so you can access all your buttons from outside that. It's quite cool. Right. Right, so it seems like there's a couple of different options for using the accessories themselves. I don't think I'm actually going to try and find what is associated to each one, but it looks like that allows you to attach it onto a helmet via a sticky pad, which I think I've seen there's one or two in there, double-sided sticky pads, and then onto the camera itself somewhere. You know, there's plenty of little places just to get a safety chain on, just in case it falls off. I'm assuming, yeah, you would take one of these out, stick that somewhere onto your helmet, and then this would just slide in, I assume. There we go. So then you're riding along, and that's, yeah, wow, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, just lots of different options for different angles and things where you might want it. So if you want to actually record somebody else next to you, you can use some of these other things just to change the angle of the camera itself. Even get it over a bar with the little tighten down function there. I mean, so yeah, you've got a whole host of accessories there. I will try and get a picture taken and try and share it at the end of this video, just to show you what kind of quality you can expect from this. So that's quite funny. It said on the box maximum was 32, I believe. Or did I just make that up? No, so it says 32, but in the instruction manual it actually says up to 64. So I might have to see if I can try that out as well. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. This is the Crosstour action camera. There's just one final look at it. And yeah, in its waterproof housing there. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. for more tech videos. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will try and get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.